Morning student. Today I am going to explain about SQL command. First SQL command is show databases command. Student, this command is used to show the database list in MySQL. For example, in the SQL show databases. This will show all the databases which are created in MySQL. And next command is use command. Student, this command is used to activate the particular database in which we want to work. To suppose that I want to work in managery database, so for this we have to write use managery. And next command is select command. Student, this command is used to retrieve the information from the table. For example, this we have to show the information of implied table. So here we have to type select asterisk from EMPL. So student, you are seeing by using the select command we can retrieve the information from tables, and by using this command we can also show the particular columns information from the tables. And for this we have to type select ename, job and salary from EMPL. That's clear. And next is where class in the select commands. Student, this class provide a facility to give the condition in the select command. For example, if we want to show only information of salesman from the implied table, so for this we have to write select asterisk from EMPL where job equals to salesman. So that's clear. So what is the use of where clause? And if we want to find the information of those employee whose salary is greater than 2000, so for this we have to write command select asterisk from EMPL where salary is greater than 2000. So this is the use of where clause. And next is relational operator. So students, you already knowing about the relational operator. By using this operator we can compare between two numbers. In this relational operator we can use greater than and equals to, less than and equals to, and not equals to. This is not equals to. But this relational operator also used with the where clause. For example, if we want to show the information of those employee whose salary is greater than 1250 and more, so for this we have to write the query like this: greater than and equals to and 1250. So that's clear. So what is the use of relational operator? And student, next operator is logical operator. By using logical operator we can combine more than one relational condition. In the logical operator we can use AND operator, or operator and not operator. And what is the use of AND operator? Student, this operator gives the final result true if all condition is true. Otherwise, it will give false value. For example, and where job equals to salesman and salary is greater than and equals to 1250. So student, in this query only those information are showing of employee who are appointed as the salesman and his or her salary is greater than or equals to 1250. This is the use of logical operator AND. And next is OR operator. Student, what is the use of OR operator? OR operator gives final result as true when if any condition is true, and this operator gives false value when all condition will be false. For example, student, what is the meaning of this commands? By using this command, we are going to show the information of those employees who are selected or salesman post or manager post. So that information will be shown on the screen, and you are seeing the output only of those employees who are salesman or his salary is or who are posted on the manager post. That's clear. And next is NOT operator. The student, NOT operator gives the just opposite output. If condition is true, then it will negate the condition, and if condition is false, then it will negate the condition. Means if condition is true, then it will work like false value, and if condition is false, then it will work like true value. For example, suppose that I want to show the information of those employees who are not selected on the salesman post. So for this, we have to write where job equals to salesman, but here we have to write NOT operator. So what is the meaning of this? So this will show the output of only those employees who are not salesmen or who are not posted on the salesman post. So that's clear. So this is the logical operator, and next topic is between operator. So student, I will discuss between operator, list operator and the other operator in the next video. Bye.